directional bias for AUD/USD. And then this morning I opened my chart and then I saw a cleaner trade setup, the same direction for EURUSD. I know I told you guys yesterday that I just picked the best out of the three. So, and I went for EURUSD. What I trade is simple market structure. Very simple market structure at the right time. Now, let me quickly run through that. This here is my Asian session range. The Asian session was between here. This is 1 a.m. Nigerian time to 5 a.m. I see now. So this one midnight to 5 a.m. That's how I made my settings. Now, all I did today was to allow market to trade above the Asian session. Once it trades above the Asian session, I just look for my setup. Are you seeing it now? So prior to today, if you look at the higher time frame, my points of interest, the places I wanted to enter from, looking at the direction itself, 1 hour time frame, you can see that it's bearish. Market is now coming down very clearly. You can see it's coming down. So areas I wanted to enter to, why I was able to take this trade is because the areas I wanted to enter in were all mitigated. Look at this place, this demand zone, mitigated already. Price has mitigated it. Right? And so all the areas I wanted to enter from, price had already mitigated them. No any unmitigated, whether it's fair value at the demand zone or breaker block, I couldn't find anyone. Right now, look at this look at this particular one. Price has this place now, price had already mitigated it on Friday. Are you seeing it now? Then no any other one above really. Look at this breaker block here, this black candle. Price has already mitigated it. Are you seeing it now? Price came back and mitigated it here. Let me mark it. You can see it now. Price this particular week mitigated it. This mitigated it. So I just knew that price was bearish, and even looking at the overall market structure, price is bearish. Are you seeing it now? So, and I saw that I also looked at, there are so many things you just look at. Nothing that you learn in trading is a waste. I looked at this demand zone here, this huge demand zone. I saw that, can you see it now, that price has already mitigated it and even closed, disrespected it. Are you seeing it? I saw that price had already disrespected it. I know that, no, there's no way. Even if price is going to respect any demand zone, maybe this one below here. So we are bearish until this point. Are you seeing it now? So at all, today I was expecting that anyhow, maybe if price can come back to this. This is what I was expecting, that maybe price will come back to this. Are you seeing it now? Which price did not do. Price did not do this month. I trade the London kill zone. Once it is London session, or sometimes pre-London session, once I see my clean market structure, I see the things I need, I will enter. What do I want to see? That's what I'm going to show us now. So let's clean this. So having this mind that price is bearish up until this point, So but for AUD/USD, I showed us in the previous video that price is bearish up to a point down below. So I went to my 5 minutes time frame. My 5 minutes time frame. This is the Asian range. So what did I look out for? This is the market structure here. After the Asian range, all I want to see is a liquidity sweep of this high. Can you see it now? Then a shift in market structure. Markets from making, let me just make everything clear to you guys. Let me run it. So higher high, higher low. This in Asian session. I don't trade that. Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market could not make a new high, lower low. It could not make a new higher high here, so it broke structure. So once market breaks structure like this to the downside, shift the market structure like this to the downside, and leaves a gap, a fair value gap, I will know that this market is serious in going down. Market leaves fair value gaps. Market leaves fair value gaps when it wants to move. When it has intention of moving, you can also use it as confluence for your directional bias. The side of the market that you are seeing gaps, lots of gaps and impulsive healthy candles, lots of gaps and healthy candles. You know that that's the direction the market wants to go. Are you seeing it now? That's the direction the market wants to go. So this is what I saw, and I knew that this is how I'm taking my trade. Are you seeing it now? Let me make it clearer again. Let me make it clearer. So this higher high, higher low. This 5 minutes time frame, it swept liquidity. Can you see it now? Higher low. It could not make a new high. Then it came down impulsively and broke structure. Are you seeing it now? Eh? It created internal range liquidity. It did as if it was going to move. Then it went back up. Are you seeing it now? It came to this demand zone. I'm going to show you the two entries I could have taken. You could have taken. Like me, this is one entry. How I enter, I mark. I just have to do this again. I mark the last. Look at this. This particular black candle is my breaker block. The last candle before that the move that swept liquidity. That's what I use. And if once I see it and it coincides with a fair value gap, I use that as my entry. This particular black candle here, are you seeing it now? So that's how I entered the market. So I mark this black candle. I'm not hiding anything. These are things that you pay a lot of money to learn, to buy as course. Are you seeing it now? So I don't hide anything from you people. This is it. Now, so that could have been your entry. This is how I entered. So I placed my pending order here. My stop loss, I don't try to be too stingy because no be me get market. I'm not the owner of them. I'm not the market maker. So I put my stop loss safely above that high. Then I came down to this opposite side of liquidity. That is the Asian low, and it coincides it happens to now be my Asian low. Are you seeing it now? This is a 1:5 trade. Are you seeing it now? 1:5 trade. Are you seeing it now? So in, out. Are you seeing it now? That's how I entered the trade, and then in somehow I got my trade. Are you seeing it now? So you could have entered like this, or you could have used. I don't usually use the demand zone because I don't want to have a missed entry. You could have used this guy here. Look at it now. This gray candle. Oh, sorry, my black candles are sell candles, while the gray ones are the ones going up. You understand? So the gray ones are like the green candles for the stereotype. For the normal ones, while my black is down candles. One thing you need to do when you stop being a beginner is to change stereotype. That fear when you see candle coming down, even if it is in your favor, you are thinking red is dangerous and then green is good. Are you seeing it now? Meanwhile, those stereotypes affect your mindset to an extent, but you may not know. That's not the most important. It does not mean you are going to be profitable, but they play a little part in affecting your mind. And you see it. And this game is a game of mind that you need to protect your mind. So I could have entered here. Oh God, help me! Let me not make this video too long. I could have entered here. This gray candle. I'd have placed my entry there. This is it. Another day I'm going to teach you when to know how to use either that my first entry. From backtesting, I've discovered when you can know when to use that particular first entry or the second one. There's how you will know how to do that. So this is where you could have entered a second entry. This put your stop at this place, and then you take profit at the other side of liquidity. This is a 6.5 R. Are you seeing it now? A 6.5 R. So I just wanted to show you guys the trade I took today. Now I'm looking forward to taking another trade if I get an opportunity on GU. I have some points of interest that I'm eyeing. I'm seriously eyeing. So I'm looking at price coming back to, because obviously price rushed away from there. So I'm looking at price coming back to this place. I'm looking at price coming back to this place later in the day. If price comes here, then I'll look for my setup again. I'm not going to place a pending order here because I don't want wahala. I'll wait for shift in market structure, everything, confirmation. I'll wait for confirmation before I take my sell. So this is my new point of interest. I'm not going to, this is going to be during the New York key zone, because you have to apply timing a lot in your trades. If not, your trades will take time and it won't even go. Are you seeing it now? So this is it. This is where I'm waiting for market to come to for me to take another entry. I have another point of interest up above. I have another point of interest here. If market comes here, I don't know if it will be able to get to this level. If it gets here and gives me a setup, I'll take it, whether it's stop loss, it hits stop loss or not. But if market comes here and gives me a setup too, I'll take it. So those are my points of interest. So I said, let me just show you guys one or two. The AUD USD I talked about yesterday, you can see that it's moving very nicely. This one too, I have points of interest, and that if market comes, I could take another entry around here. That's that breaker block there. Around this area, it may get there, it may not get there. I might take another entry around there. Are you seeing it now? If market comes there, I may take another entry there. So that's just it. Just take your time. Follow market structure is very, very important. If you apply prop market structure and the right timing in the market structure and right timing, you will find some improvement in your trading. All right, so have a nice day. Please, if you have not, I don't even remember to tell you. I don't need to be begging or to cajole you to subscribe to the channel or to like or share. If you like what you are watching, you want it to be showing up on your screen, I'll be doing this as much as I can every morning. And if you follow me just the way I'm doing it, you won't need to buy any course. You won't need to pay any mentor one huge amount. What I just showed you is something people will pay $100, $50 for. As simple as what I just showed you. Are you seeing it now? So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together. I'm also growing. I never make am here too, but it's coming. Okay, we'll just keep pushing. Thank you.